2013 Nissan Titan V8 5.6 liter. What we got done on it comes already true-dualed from the factory. Comes with 4 catalytic converters, one here, one right there, and one right there. Then it comes with 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and we put a cherry bomb dual in, dual out muffler on it right there, and 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent all the way back there and there into 4-inch double walled stainless steel tips right there and right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the muffler. That's what cherry bomb sounds like. This is what it registers. Again, it's about 107, 110 decibels. Not bad at all. What you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Titan.
Oh, you make me wanna talk.